let's also tell our viewers that farmers are currently holding a press conference. Like we told you, they have called off their Andolan for their day. But what are the farmers saying? Let's cut across.
आपको सूचित करना था कि आप अपना ध्यान रखें। ये दो बातें हमने दिखी। किसानों ने वहां पर जाके धरना लगाया और पूरा जोर लगाया कि आप मीडिया को इस तरह से नहीं रोक सकते। ये भी एक नई घटना थी। उसके बाद जो प्रशासन ने चालें चली, कभी बिस्कुट, कभी लंगर और फूल, और आपने देखा, आपके रिकॉर्ड में है ये बात, फूल के एग्जैक्ट 2 मिनट बाद हंजू गैस के गोले और रबड़ की गोलियां। और जिस तरह से देखिए आज हवा का रुख मोर्चे की ओर था, जितनी जहरीली गैसें फेंकी गई, ये पिछले से भी ज्यादा थी। और पूरा कोशिश किया गया कि किसानों को किस तरह से बेहोश किया जाए। जो आज 6 किसान जख्मी हुए हैं, मैं उनके नाम आपको बता देता हूं। रेशम सिंह जी पिंड पगतापाई बठिंडा के हैं। ये अभी पीजीआई रेफर कर दिए गए हैं। दिलबाग सिंह जी गिल हमारे लीडर्स हैं। BKMजू ये रेस्क्यू टीम में थे, आगे नहीं थे, आगे बम छोड़ा गया इनके ऊपर। मेजर सिंह जी टांड कसेल, ये तरनतारन के किसान मजदूर संघर्ष कमेटी के। ये करनैल सिंह जी लंग BKजू आजाद के साथी हैं। इनको मेरे ख्याल ऑक्सीजन लगने की हमें समाचार मिल रहा है। हरभजन सिंह जी वैरो नंगल, ये भी रेस्क्यू टीम में थे, आगे नहीं थे, किसान मजदूर संघर्ष कमेटी के साथी हैं। ये भी घायल हुए हैं। कुलविंदर सिंह जी अठवाल गुरदासपुर, ये भी रेस्क्यू टीम में थे।
So farmer leaders there holding a press conference to give you a brief of what exactly happened. They're accusing the cops of using force. They're also saying that the tear gas shells that were fired today had even more poisonous gases than the ones that were fired 2 days ago. So the confrontation continues between farmers and also security personnel. Meanwhile, politics is also continuing over this stir. The Congress party now has asked the farmers to gather support from Dalits across the country to ensure that their stir gets more support and it gets bigger. The Shiv Sena UBT is also asking the centre to listen to all the demands of the farmers.
I support farmers' demand, and they have been betrayed by none other than Prime Minister. When they were putting up a strong protest around Delhi, it was a Prime Minister who promised to give them MSP, but MSP has not been given to them. It is backstabbed by the Prime Minister, and therefore they have a right to the capital of the country and to make their demand heard.
What is happening with the farmers is extremely unfortunate, considering that they have been protesting for minimum guarantee of MSP support is still being denied to them despite a commitment made by the government of India. This is the government which spoke about doubling farmers' income, and yet today farmers find themselves in a situation where they have to continue to struggle for what is rightfully theirs. So this goes to show that this is an anti-farmer government, and the farmers are protesting against this government for this very reason, that what they speak, what they commit is very different from what they actually act on.